27 member states will have now 2 years to transpose the directive into national law. Are you concerned that some countries are arguing that this might have a potential harm to the economic activity?
This will be a process that the EU has to accompany, to support the local, regional and member states, authorities, obviously. But to be honest, pollution is a slow motion pandemic. We saw what we were able to do in front of a pandemic. Nobody was asking about the economy. It was a health crisis and we address it, and this is what we are going to do.
This legislation somehow suggests that the Green Deal is a big and important priority for the European Union, but somehow does it have to be calibrated to face competition from the United States, from China, other regions?
Of course, but the problem here is that we are not confronting competitiveness with the green agenda. This is, I think, the wrong approach. To move on the green agenda is to build the competitiveness of tomorrow, because we know that green technology on mobility, green technology on energy, on buildings, on efficiency, it will be our competitiveness tomorrow and our model of prosperity. What is happening with China, for example, that we have tariffs to their cars. The problem is they were going more fast than us.
Finally, the current parliament is a bit more polarized, and there are a lot of political sectors more aligned now with the interests of agriculture, industry that emit a lot of polluting gases. Aligning these two interests will be the biggest battle for the parliament.
Well, we will have a lot of discussions about this, but it's discussion that is well-deserved, I would say. It will be the biggest transformation since the Industrial Revolution, what we are doing, decarbonizing our economies. The primary sector is an important sector for our economy, but also to managing our territory, and it has to be protected, but at the same time it has to be transformed as all the sectors of our economy.